Hi there. In this video, I will show you how you can figure out where your subscribers are from. This was a question that popped up in the Kit Facebook group, and I thought I'd record a quick video on it. So what you need to do is go to your subscriber overview and then segments and click create segment. Then here I can say, where are my subscribers from? Whatever you want to call your segment. Here under add filter, you choose one of these three options here. So for example, you can figure out whether they are within a particular country or region. So you can select any country here, or if they are from the European Union, for example, add filter and then see who is within that segment of your subscribers. Another option is to add filter again, choose distance from a particular city. So you can choose miles and just type the city that you want to use here. And the third option is to use a distance from a particular postal code. It's not possible to directly see where everyone is from, so in like a massive overview or anything. So you'll need to create different segments for each of these countries that you're curious about. So it's a bit of a workaround to actually get those insights, but yeah, it can be very helpful. So hope this helps. Bye.